In this tutorial, we will see how to apply the composite tolerance for a pattern of features. What is composite tolerance? Composite tolerance is used when we need to control a feature's location more tightly in some cases and more loosely in others. It consists of two tolerance zones, stacked in a single feature control frame. A composite feature control frame has two segments, each specifying a different aspect of the feature's tolerance. The upper segment, known as the pattern locating tolerance zone, which controls the location relative to a datum structure, like the entire part. The lower segment, known as the feature relating tolerance zone, controls the tighter relationship within the pattern itself. Let's see how to apply the composite tolerance in TouchDMIS using this feature control frame. First, measure and define datums A, B, and C. Now, we are going to create the pattern of features based on these 5 holes. Go to Construction, and select Pattern. Pick up the 5 holes and confirm the selection. Then, we go to Geometrical Tolerances and select Composite Tolerance. First, we need to establish the pattern locating tolerance zone. As we have seen in the feature control frame, we used the datums A, B, and C, and the relationship within the pattern will be 0.8 diameter. For the feature relating tolerance zone, select the datums A and B and input the tolerance zone. To apply the tolerance, click or tap the Apply Tolerance on Object button. Next, we must select the pattern to complete the operation. In the results window, we can check the values. Then, click or tap the Confirm button. Finally, we can see the composite tolerance results in the tabulated report.